Welcome to the Pinch Masterclass series. In this video, we'll be covering the Pinch Partner Portal, how to use the features of the Pinch Partner Portal to create, manage, and monitor the onboarding of your referred clients. Now, when we talk about partners here at Pinch Payments, this means typically accountants and bookkeepers who are managing businesses and their accounts on behalf of the business. You may need to refer a business to Pinch Payments to take advantage of a variety of our features, such as our revenue share program. But the primary functions that the Pinch Partner Portal actually offers is the ability for you to set up accounts for your clients, as well as manage and actually enter into their account to use their Pinch account like it was your own account, obviously with their permission. So in this video, we're going to be covering those three things. So let's get stuck in. The first thing that we're going to cover is creating a Pinch account on behalf of your client. Now, this is through our actual partner function. So to actually gain access to our partner function, you first need to have signed our partner agreement. So that's our Pinch partner agreement. You can request to have this sent to you at any time if you do want access to our partner system by just reaching out to our support team and requesting the partner agreement. Or if you've already signed a Pinch partner agreement and you've not been set up with these features, definitely reach out to us and we can get those activated for you. So what this looks like is over here in your Pinch account. If you are a partner, you'll actually have access to this feature up here called Partners. Now, by clicking into this feature, you'll be brought to this section which shows you a rundown of all of your referred clients. Now, these can be ones that haven't yet been activated and aren't necessarily transacting yet, but it'll also show you all your transacting merchants. So you'll actually be able to see the amount of volume that they've processed, when their last payment date was, and the actual total volume that they've processed. From here, you'll also go and you'll be able to see the referral link, and I'll come back to the referral link in a minute. But the feature I want to first bring your attention to is this button up here called Create New Client. Now, this is where you can actually set up a Pinch merchant account on behalf of your customer so that you can effectively define a variety of the setup functionality. And that includes even uploading documentation and doing a variety of our onboarding steps on behalf of your client if you have access to those that information and those tools for the client. So if I click Create New Client, it's going to bring me to this section to start filling out the information for the primary stakeholder of the business. So I'm going to set up a fake client here called John Hampton. They are called JH Homes. And I'm just going to put some random numbers in. Some random numbers in the mobile. And I'm just going to go and punch that in there. It's always good to include a nature of the business so that our team understands what the actual business is that you've referred to us. And that just helps us do a little bit of pre-scoping on the risk profile of this business. From here, you hit next step. And that brings you onto a little bit more of the information that we require to set up the account. As it processes here. Excellent. So you can see here we've filled out our first section and now we have our second section, which is looking for more specifically information related to the individual that we'll be setting up and the bank account details that we'll be settling the funds to. So make sure that you have these on hand. I'm just going to set up a Brisbane city address and I'm going to put in some random numbers in here as well. So definitely make sure that you have the details available on you to fill out this step. From there, you then have your license number of the individual, the date of the birth of the individual, and that moves you on to creating the account. So once this account has been created, you'll see it here. So this is now being registered as if the client had registered themselves manually from the website or from the referral link, which I'll get to in a second, and they are automatically allocated to your partner file, and you'll automatically be allocated access to their account. So from here, what you can do is you can actually help the client set up their account. So from here, you can activate their integration for them if you have admin access to their accounting software, and you can also upload their compliance documentation. The compliance process will be covered in another video, so definitely have a look at that one when that becomes available. All right, let's circle back to the rest of the partner features. So back here, you can see now that there's been this third company added to my partner account. I can see their sign up date. The next thing to draw your attention to is our referral link. So if you don't want to set up the account on behalf of the customer or they don't want you to, instead, you can send them your partner referral code. And what this will do is it'll take them to a branded website page that has your business information on it, your content logo, and a little bit of rundown of your business. And that will actually allow them to register via our standard registration flow, which you can find on our Pinch Payments website. And this is our registration flow. However, when they register with the partner referral link, once they complete the activation of their account, they'll automatically be associated to your partner account without needing to retroactively add them. So that's also a really good mechanism by which to enroll clients if they're happy to actually activate that for you. For example, you might send out the referral link to a large number of people, hoping that a few of them take up the offer. But they're the two ways by which you can either set up or help your clients set up the account. Which brings me on to my last information that I wanted to share with you all. So that's the partner access system. So this is actually how you can pilot and jump into your various clients' accounts if they've given you permission. This feature is really, really handy. Once you've registered the account or they've activated the account with your referral code, if you head back to your partners section under your clients list, any of the accounts that you have access to will have blue text highlighted in their name, and you'll actually be able to click into their company. And you'll notice here that I'm actually now inside of this Pinch account. From here, I can pilot this account as if I was the business. And if I need to return back to my own partner account, all I need to do is head up to the left-hand side here, click the name of the company, and hit this unimpersonate button. And that will take me back to the account that I have access to. Now, that is the Pinch Partner features in a nutshell. Definitely make sure if you want to take advantage of these features that you reach out to us, and we will have the Pinch Partner agreement sent over to you for you to sign, and we'll give you a rundown